Everybody is looking for the secrets hidden in the waters of Bangladesh. A land woven from water, a tapestry of rivers and seas. This is a place where the rivers are not just bodies of water but the veins that pulse with life, connecting people and nature in an intricate dance. This is a country where life flows with the rhythm of the tides, where the whisper of the wind carries the scent of salt and fresh water. The coastal areas are a unique blend of ecosystems, where the sea meets the land in a harmonious embrace. Bangladesh is crisscrossed by a network of over 700 rivers. These rivers are the lifelines that sustain agriculture, fisheries, and the daily lives of millions of people. These rivers, along with the Bay of Bengal, define the country's landscape, culture, and very existence. The Bay of Bengal itself is a vast expanse that shapes the climate and influences the livelihoods of coastal communities. For centuries, these waterways have been the lifeblood of Bangladesh. They have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the ebb and flow of history, and the enduring spirit of the people. They provide sustenance, transportation, and a sense of identity to the millions who call this Delta nation home. The riverbanks are bustling with activity from fishing boats to markets, reflecting the vibrant culture that thrives here. Let us embark on a journey to explore the beauty and ecological importance of Bangladesh's rivers and seas, to understand the challenges they face and to discover how we can protect these precious resources for generations to come. The diverse ecosystems along these waterways are home to countless species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. The Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Meghna. These mighty rivers originating in the Himalayas flow through Bangladesh, carrying with them the stories of distant lands. They are the lifeblood of the country. The Ganges, known as the Padma in Bangladesh, is a sacred river. It meanders through the country, its waters a source of life and spirituality. The Brahmaputra, or Jamuna as it is locally known, is a powerful river. It carves its path, shaping the land and influencing the lives of the people. The Meghna, a confluence of many rivers, completes this trio of giants. Together, they form the Ganges Delta, the largest delta in the world. These rivers are the arteries of Bangladesh, carrying not just water, but life itself. To the south of Bangladesh lies the Bay of Bengal, a vast expanse of blue. This body of water is not just a geographical boundary, it is an integral part of Bangladesh's identity. The Bay of Bengal is home to a rich diversity of marine life. From the majestic Bengal tiger that roams the Sundarbans mangrove forest to the vibrant coral reefs teeming with fish, this marine ecosystem is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Coastal communities depend on the Bay of Bengal for their livelihood. Fishing, salt production, and tourism are vital to the economy of this region. The Bay of Bengal is a source of beauty, sustenance, and economic opportunity, a vital part of Bangladesh's natural heritage. Where the mighty rivers converge with the Bay of Bengal lies the Ganges Delta, a unique and fragile ecosystem. This vast expanse of wetlands, islands, and estuaries is a testament to the power of nature. The Ganges Delta is a nursery for fish, a haven for birds, and a natural barrier against storms. It is a land of incredible biodiversity, supporting a vast array of plant and animal life. This unique ecosystem is a lifeline for millions of people. It provides food, water, and livelihoods, playing a crucial role in the economy and ecology of Bangladesh. The Ganges Delta is a testament to the interconnectedness of life, a delicate balance between land and water, human and nature. Beneath the surface of Bangladesh's rivers and seas lies a hidden world, a world teeming with life. This underwater realm is a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem where every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. A symphony of aquatic life plays out in these waters, a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. The rivers and seas are alive with the movement and sounds of countless species, each contributing to the harmony of this aquatic orchestra. From the majestic Ganges river dolphin, an indicator of the river's health, to the Irrawaddy dolphins that grace the waters of the Sundarbans, these creatures are a vital part of the ecosystem. Their presence signifies the well-being of the aquatic environment, and their survival is intertwined with the health of the rivers and seas. Fish, the primary source of protein for many Bangladeshis, abound in these waters. The rivers and seas are home to a myriad of fish species, each playing a role in the food chain and supporting the livelihoods of countless people. From the hilsa, a national delicacy, to the rui, katla and murigal, these fish are not just food, they are a part of Bangladesh's cultural identity. These species hold significant cultural and economic value, symbolizing the deep connection between the people and their aquatic resources. The rivers and seas of Bangladesh are a treasure trove of aquatic life, a delicate balance that needs our protection. Preserving this biodiversity is essential for the health of the ecosystem and the well-being of future generations. It is our responsibility to ensure that these waters remain a sanctuary for the myriad of species that call them home. For the people of Bangladesh, the rivers are not just bodies of water, they are an integral part of their lives. The ebb and flow of the tides dictate the rhythm of life in this delta nation. Fishermen cast their nets into the golden waters at dawn, their lives intertwined with the bounty of the rivers. Farmers depend on the annual floods to replenish the soil, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Boats, big and small, crisscross the rivers, carrying people, goods, and dreams. The waterways are the lifeline of Bangladesh, connecting communities and sustaining livelihoods. Life in Bangladesh is deeply connected to the rivers, a testament to the enduring bond between humans and nature. The rivers and seas of Bangladesh are a source of sustenance and livelihood for millions. They provide food, water, and employment, playing a crucial role in the country's economy. Fishing is a major industry, employing a significant portion of the population. The hilsa, a national delicacy, is a major source of income for many fishermen. Agriculture, the backbone of Bangladesh's economy, is heavily reliant on the rivers. The annual floods deposit fertile silt, replenishing the soil and ensuring a bountiful harvest. Tourism, particularly ecotourism in the Sundarbans, is a growing industry, providing employment and economic opportunities for local communities. The rivers and seas of Bangladesh are a source of immense economic potential, a vital part of the country's development. The rivers under threat, pollution and its consequences. The rivers and seas of Bangladesh, once pristine and teeming with life, are facing a growing threat: pollution. These waters, which were once clear and full of diverse aquatic species, are now becoming murky and lifeless. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage are polluting these vital waterways, putting human health and the environment at risk. Factories discharge toxic chemicals directly into rivers, while farms contribute pesticides and fertilizers that wash into the water. The once abundant fish stocks are dwindling, impacting the livelihoods of millions who depend on fishing. Fishermen are finding it harder to catch fish, which affects their income and food security. The water, a source of life, is becoming increasingly unsafe for consumption, leading to health problems. Contaminated water is causing diseases such as cholera, dysentery, and other waterborne illnesses, especially among children. Plastic pollution is choking the rivers and seas, harming marine life and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Marine animals ingest plastic debris, which can lead to injury or death, and the toxic substances in plastics can enter the food chain. The consequences of pollution are far-reaching, impacting every aspect of life in Bangladesh. From the health of its people to the stability of its economy, the effects are profound and widespread. Protecting the rivers and seas from pollution is not just an environmental issue. It is a matter of survival for Bangladesh. Immediate and concerted efforts are needed to clean up the waterways and prevent further contamination, ensuring a healthier future for all. Climate change, a looming shadow over the waters. Climate change, a global threat, is casting a long shadow over the rivers and seas of Bangladesh. Rising sea levels, more frequent and intense cyclones, and erratic rainfall patterns are threatening the delicate balance of this delta nation. Coastal areas are facing the brunt of these changes, with erosion swallowing up land and displacing communities. Salinity intrusion is affecting agriculture, threatening food security. The Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a vital buffer against cyclones, is facing an uncertain future due to rising sea levels. The very existence of this unique ecosystem is under threat. Climate change is not a distant threat for Bangladesh. It is a present reality with potentially devastating consequences. Protecting our liquid lifeline conservation efforts. Faced with these growing threats, Bangladesh is taking action to protect its precious rivers and seas. The government, NGOs, and local communities are working together to conserve these vital resources for future generations. Initiatives are underway to reduce industrial pollution, promote sustainable fishing practices, and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Efforts are being made to strengthen disaster preparedness and build resilience against the impacts of climate change. Protecting the rivers and seas of Bangladesh is a collective responsibility, a task that requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders. A call to action, safeguarding Bangladesh's waters for generations to come. The rivers and seas of Bangladesh are not just geographical features, they are the lifeblood of the nation. They are a source of beauty, sustenance, and inspiration. But these vital waterways are under threat. Pollution, climate change, and unsustainable practices are putting immense pressure on these fragile ecosystems. The time to act is now. We must all do our part to protect these precious resources for future generations. Let us pledge to reduce our environmental footprint, to support sustainable practices, and to raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Together, we can ensure that the rivers and seas of Bangladesh continue to flow, sustaining life and inspiring wonder for generations to come. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts and updates on safeguarding our planet's precious resources.